Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to worship God through sign language. This week we're learning how to sign Our God by Chris Tomlin. This is our third video. In our first video we learned verse 1, second video we learned the chorus, and today we are learning the bridge. But housekeeping as always, remember, I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, you will mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links to other information that will really help you on your way. And please subscribe to the channel or check out the website signlanguageworship.com for all the other songs. Okay, so this bridge is fast. There isn't a lot that you have to learn, but it is an exercise in coordination. Okay, so we'll get started right away. And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? Okay, so for this, we're gonna do God is for us. You can put our in there, but because it gets so fast, I won't be putting our in there. I'm just going to say that God is for us. So for 4, you're gonna take your index finger pointing up, starting towards your body, and then moving it out. Okay, I have also seen 4 done with an F, like that. And if that's how you are comfortable, go for it, okay? God is for, and then us, we've learned that. Who could ever stop us? Who? So you kind of have your thumb at your chin and your index finger is making that question, okay? It's like a question mark in sign language. Who could stop us? So stop, you have your non-dominant hand out, stop. Okay, stop, and then us. Let's try that line again. God is for us. Who could stop us? And then if God is with us, so God with 2 fists coming together, us, then what can stand against us? What? You have your non-dominant hand out and let your dominant index finger like a match striking, okay? What? What can stand, non-dominant hand here, stand, and then against, non-dominant hand here, against. Okay, so let's try those 2 lines again. If God is for us, who could stop us? If God is with us, then what could stand against? And because these are both questions, you should try to throw a question in there at the end. Like, who? Okay? If you can't, don't worry about it. It is fast. That's okay. Okay, so let's try again. If God is for us, who could stop us? And if God is with us, then what could stand against? And then that line repeats again. What could stand against? Okay, let's try it top to bottom, because when it actually happens in the song, it repeats those 2 questions and then the last line repeats. So we're gonna do all of that together, okay? If God is for us, who could stop us? And if God is with us, then what could stand against? If God is for us, then who could stop us? And if God is with us, then what could stand against? And then again, what could stand against? One more time, okay? Stick with it. Trust me, when I first learned this song, I really stumbled over the bridge, okay? You will get there, just stick with it. God is for us, then who could stop us? And if God is with us, then what could stand against? If God is for us, then who can stop us? And if God is with us, then what can stand against? What could stand against? Keep practicing, stick with it, And in tomorrow's video, we're gonna walk through the whole song top to bottom. See you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.